Ken Moore stove out with a B in it, big. Hey.
You have now tuned into another Jess for TV production.
Hey guys, it's Jess for TV back on your screen, coming to you live and direct with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, friend. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay a while. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm ready to show you guys how I'm about to chef up some homemade Crunchwrap Supremes. You guys, this recipe is quick, it's easy, it's affordable, and also, I mean, it's quite apt because guess what today is? It's Taco Tuesday! So yes guys, I'm about to chef up these Crunchwrap Supremes, and if you want to see how I whip up this recipe, just keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I'm just giving you an overview of all the ingredients that I will be using to whip up this recipe. So in addition to the Crunchwrap Supremes, I also decided to do some sides, which includes Spanish rice, some avocado, and also some corn salsa. Okay, so guys, again, this is just a complete overview of all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe, along with the spices that I will be putting into my ground beef, and what's in the purple bowl is just my lettuce. Okay guys, so I am going to start by putting my ground beef into my skillet and heating it over medium heat until it is no longer pink. Okay guys, so here I'm really just stirring this and crumbling it up. Make sure that no piece is left behind and that there will be no pink. Okay, now guys, I'm going to start cooking my rice. I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of water. Also a tablespoon of butter. And the contents of the rice packet. And I'm going to cook this over medium-high heat and bring it all to a boil. Okay guys, now back to the ground beef. It is completely browned through, and now I'm going to transfer the ground beef into a strainer and let all that fat and grease and oil drain off. So while my ground beef is draining and my rice is cooking, I'm going to start chopping my lettuce here. And also during this time, I also cut up my tomatoes, and I also opened my can of Southwest corn. So now that my lettuce is completely chopped and shredded the way I like, I'm going to add it back to my bowl and save it for later. Okay, so back in the same pan that I cooked the ground beef in, I'm going to add my seasoning packet. I'm going to start by adding 3/4 cups of water and the contents of the packet. I'm going to stir that over low-medium heat. And then I'm going to add in my completely drained ground beef. So once I have all my ground beef back in the pan, I'm just going to mix it well with the seasoning packet. Make sure each little grain of ground beef is coated with that seasoning. And I'm just going to let that simmer over low heat. Rice has been cooking for about 25 minutes and it is now completely done. So I'm just going to give that a stir to make sure it's not sticking and just let that sit until I prepare the rest of the meal. Okay guys, now it is time for the coup de grace. I'm going to add a warm tortilla to a plate. Also some warm nacho cheese. I'm just going to spread that in an even layer. And next I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of the cooked and seasoned ground beef. And once I have enough of that on the tortilla and spread it evenly, I'm going to add a crunchy taco that I just split in half and make it into a circle onto the top of the ground beef. I'm going to add some sour cream and spread that into a thin layer as well. Then I'm going to add my lettuce, some tomatoes, and lastly some shredded cheese. And then I'm going to start folding this into a Crunchwrap Supreme. This is actually kind of hard to explain, so I'm going to let you guys watch and hopefully you can figure it out. Okay guys, now that we have our Crunchwrap Supreme nicely folded, we're just going to add some oil to a skillet and place our Crunchwrap Supreme fold side down. Let that cook until it's brown. Flip it over, which was actually a struggle for me. And let the other side cook until it's brown. Now that the other side is brown, we're going to plate this baby. You guys see I have my sides. I'm going to cut this open and show you exactly what it looks like. It's not pretty, but baby, this was so good. I'm so proud of how it came out. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, let me know. Let me know how it turned out for you. Definitely, you guys got to get with these sides. That corn salsa in a can is like that. I would not steer you wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.